Hi, Bob Murphy here today, owner of Central Jersey Security Cameras and Jersey Shore Security. Today I'm here with one of my lead technicians, Kris. We just recently installed a 6-megapixel IP security camera system at a warehouse out in Long Branch, New Jersey. Kris, you were the lead on that job. I think we installed about 30 cameras or so. How was the camera? How did the install go? How did the customer like it at the end of the job?
The customer was very pleased with the job. They were happy that the picture was very crisp and clear. I was happy to be a part of the job and to be delivering such a high quality product.
Thanks, Kris, and we're happy to have you, and we're always happy with the work you're doing. We receive a lot of customer comments on your work in specific, how neat it is and how courteous you are, and I really appreciate that. And I just want to say thank you very much. Appreciate it.